Hey, what's up you guys? So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I got this green hair look. So this is actually a blonde wig that I colored green, cut it into a bob. So I'm going to show you all of that in today's video. So this look was actually inspired by Kim K's green hair moment. So literally Kim Kardashian walks out with like a green wig one time. And I was sitting there thinking to myself, I'm like, is she going to make green hair a thing? Is this going to become a trend? So, I mean, it kind of became a thing. So here we are today. Let's get started. Alright, so the wig I'm going to be using today is from Wigsbuy, The Secret of Instant Beauty. So they actually sent me this wig, which I thought would be perfect for this little project. So I'll show you what it looks like. This is what the actual wig looks like. She's actually surprisingly really soft. I was not expecting that, especially for like a 613. They're usually a little bit drier. And she does have like a little bit of the filler strands in there, but I mean, that's to be expected from like a wig from China. But she's really soft. This is what the inside looks like. You get like a little bit of parting space, not that much, and then the rest of it is just tracks. So these wigs are pretty inexpensive, so I mean, you're gonna get what you're paying for, so this is kind of the vibe. And they are like one of those companies that have, you know, like celebrity pictures instead of what the actual wig looks like. So just have an idea of like what you're actually going to be getting, and it's not going to look like, it's probably not going to look like the celebrity hair. And as you can see, she's really golden. So I am going to go ahead and tone it with some purple shampoo before I put the green on. So I'm going to go tone her and I will see you guys after. Okay, so this is after I've toned and dried the hair. This is what she's looking like. Come here. Show everybody your pretty hair. Okay, so the two colors I'm going to mix are these two from Manic Panic. So this one is, oh my god, what is this called? Electric Lizard and Electric Banana. So cute. So I'm going to mix them together because I do want the green to be a little bit more of like a yellowy green. So we'll see what I can come up with here. Okay, so I started off with a bit of conditioner as a base. I'm going to add the green and work it in. Okay, so I just took a little scoop of the green. Oh my god, that is crazy. That is very highlighter. Okay, I'm going to add some yellow in here, but this green is looking pretty bomb. This is like the yummiest yellow. Oh my gosh. I'm going to take a little bit of that too. This is the color that I came up with so far. It's like this really bright highlighter neon greeny yellow. So I'm going to put it on the hair and then kind of like adjust the color as I go if I need to. So let's see how this goes. Alright, so this is what she's looking like so far. Oh my gosh, you guys. I never thought I'd have green hair, and to be honest, I don't hate it. I actually thought I was like weird about green hair, but I don't hate it. It's kind of fun. I am going to trim the hair. I do want to cut it into a little bit of a bob, so maybe something like that. So I'm going to go do that, and I'll cut the rest of the lace off, and I'll see you guys in 2 seconds. Alright, so this is the final look. I just chopped it into a bob and I cut the lace. Let me know what you guys think about the bob. As soon as I did it, I was like, girl, did you really want a bob? Like, kind of feeling it, kind of not. So, I don't know. Let me know if you think I should have cut it or not. I mean, I can't really go back because it is a wig, so it's not going to grow back. But, I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. I was trying to go for, like, a cute, like, chic, edgy look. You know what I mean? Like, chic bob. Okay, so I'm going to wrap up the video here. So let me know what you think in the comments down below. Are you feeling the green hair? What are your thoughts on this green hair trend? And let me know if you guys have any suggestions on like other looks that you want me to recreate. I have some other looks that are coming up, so subscribe for those. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Tonight we will